Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn about Python while loops. So in Python while loops lets you repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a condition is true. So it totally depends on the condition that either it's true or false. So according to that condition, the particular block will be keep executing. And here we will understand about the syntax of while loop. So how the while loop works, so we will understand. So here we will write like a while, and conditions can be anything. Like if we want to execute a particular block, if the condition is true, means suppose that if anyone is greater than 18, then the statement inside that block will be printed like you are eligible to vote. That's it. And here the loop checks the condition. If the condition is true, the code inside the loop runs. It stops when the condition becomes false. Okay. So as I already explained to you that it totally depends on the condition, and we will understand about the all the examples one by one. So it is a basic while loop. So here is the example, like count is equal to 1. Count is here variable, and we are checking with the condition. The condition will be keep true till 5, right? So here it will keep printing the count means number, and here we are incrementing by 1. So we will understand this code on the Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to copy this code same like always, and here we will create one file. I'm creating file with the name of file .py. Now we will paste the same code here, and we will check that what is the output now. So how it is working actually. Yep. So now here's the output is 1 2 3 4 5, because count is equal to 1. We have given already number. If suppose that we will not give any number, and we will not assign anything, like, so by default it will just start from the 0. So you can understand here is the count as a variable is printing the numbers, and count plus is equal to 1 is incrementing by 1. So in this way we can understand. Now here is the another example, which is the using a break statement. So how break statement works in the while loop. So like you can understand here, like num is equal to 1, and while true means it will keep running till the infinite loop, right? And if the number is greater than 3, then stop the loop when number is greater than 3. So the loop will be break, nothing will be printed after that. Okay, and print num is a variable, and num plus is equal to 1. We are again incrementing by 1. So I'm going to copy this code again to just understand on the Visual Studio Code. So now here we will first make this code as a comment, and now we will see. I'm going to paste here the code. Now we will run the code. So what is the output? 1 2 3, because this condition is working in this way, something like while true is a boolean thing that will be true or false, and it will be always true because we have used true, right? So num is a variable, and we have assigned a value 1. So 1 is greater than 3 means the value, meanwhile it will keep running till the if the number will be less than 3, right? As the number will be greater than 3, then the loop will keep executing stop. Okay, now we will understood about the third example, which is using a continue statement. So continue statement in continue, it basically works to just skip that particular statement, right? So here we can understand like num is equal to 0, and while num is less than is equal to 5, num plus is equal to 1 means we are incrementing by 1. If here is the condition, if number is equal to 3, okay, then that particular number will be skipped, and otherwise all the rest of the number will be keep printing. So means what is the output we will understand over the Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to copy this code, and we'll come to Visual Studio Code. I'm going to make this code as a comment, and now we will see that how it is working. So I have saved the program. I'm going to run. So 1 2 4 5 and 3 has been skipped, as I already told you that in continue statement is basically working on this particular things, like continue works to just skip that particular part, right? So here is the condition and it is skipping the 3 number. Now we will understand about the infinite loop. So here's the infinite loop. So here's the some things which we need to carefully work. Right? A while loop will keep running forever if the condition never becomes false. So yeah, it's a risky as well. It depends on your computer system, whatever the computer system you are using. If you will use true or false, and yeah, the condition will be keep true, so it will keep running, right? Here's the key points to understand, like you use a while loop when the number of iteration is not fixed. So if the number of iteration is fixed, then we are using the for loop. If the number of iteration is not fixed, then on that situation we are using while loop. It totally depends on the condition. Avoid infinite loops by ensuring the condition will eventually becomes false. So Python while loop is powerful for flexible and condition based repetition, right? It's a powerful tool of Python, means we are using the while loop. So it's a powerful and flexible and condition based repetition. It will keep repeating until the condition will be true. Now, what are the multiple condition in a while loop? You can combine multiple condition in a while loop using logical operator. Logical operator, as we already seen in the examples, like we can understand if any condition is like we are using greater than, less than, or equal to. These are the things that is comes and inside the logical operator. And when we are using the and or, the loop runs if all conditions are true, and or is working as the loop runs if any one condition is true, right? So here's the concept of and or. Now using and all condition must be true, like here is the x is a variable 5 and y is equal to 10, and here you can understand the condition will be, if the condition will be true, means x means 5. 5 is less than 10, yes. 10 is greater than 5, yes. So the condition is true, that's why this code will be successful print. Now I'm going to make this code as a comment and we'll understand in the example. I have saved the program. Now we will see the output. X is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, 9, 8, 7, 5. It is decrementing because here we have used y minus is equal to 1. X plus 1 is working to just increment the code, right? Here we can understand about the using or, any condition can be true. So here it depends on situations, any condition. If either one of them the condition will be true, then whole code will print. Okay, now in the same way we will again make this code as a comment and going to run another one. Now we will see the output is equal to 3, b is 8, a again 4, b is and 7. So it totally depends on situation because we are using the or operator. That's why either one condition will be true, then only the whole code will keep working. Okay. Now here combining and or. Okay. So we are combining, like if first we check here the condition, like as x is less than 5 and y is greater than 7. So in this way we can understand here is the multiple condition we can use. And here's the key points to just notice, that use and when all condition must be true to continue the loop, and use or when any one condition is enough to continue the loop. Use parentheses to combine conditions clearly and avoid confusion. Multiple conditions make your loops smarter and more flexible. You can use according to your choice. Okay. So in this way we have covered everything in while loop. And so if you really loved this video, so please do thumbs up and do your valuable comment and share this video with your friends and family, anyone who is in college or professional who is really need, who want to learn Python, so you can prefer to them. Thank you. Have a great day.